Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, trip odometer, Sirius satellite radio, chrome package, 3-point rear seat belts. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.